Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'm gonna be doing OnePlus 60 freeze test. So before we get started, OnePlus 60 giveaway is going on my channel. To participate, there's a link in the description below. Go and check out that video to know how to participate. This phone comes with Snapdragon 845, and this variant is the 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage. It has a dual camera setup on the back. And as you can see, the in-display fingerprint sensor, and the phone is fully working. Let's put the phone in the freezer. Let's put some water on the display to see how well it gets freeze. And now the OnePlus 60 is ready for the freeze test. Hey guys, I'm back after 5 hours and 30 minutes, and as you can see, the OnePlus 60 is completely frozen. Now let's take this phone out. And the phone stuck here. And here we go. Wow, this looks very amazing. And also the phone is so cool to the touch. The OnePlus logo. The in-display fingerprint sensor is not working as of now. I think it's because of the ice on the display. So now let's remove the ice from the display. And as you can see the fog inside the dual camera on the back and also on the front facing camera. I just cleaned the phone and the phone is still cool to the touch. Let's check the in-display fingerprint sensor. And yes, it's working without any problem. Let's check the camera. It takes blurry photos because there is still some fog in the camera. Alert slider and volume rockers are also working. And as you can see, the phone is fully working. Let's check the speaker.
Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'm going to be doing OnePlus 60 water test.
The speaker is also working without any issues. It's loud and clear. After a couple of minutes, the fog disappeared from the camera. Let's check the camera again. And yes, the camera now takes clear photos. As you can see the difference between both photos. So yeah, the OnePlus 60 survived my freeze test. Don't forget to participate in the OnePlus 60 giveaway. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.